Today I'm showing you how to improve your Wi-Fi connection and increase internet speed on your PC or laptop. This works on both Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Network Connections. Right-click the Start button and select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and click OK. This opens your Network Connections window. Step 2. Change DNS settings. Find your Wi-Fi connection, right-click on it, and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Now change the DNS settings. For the preferred DNS, enter 1.1.1.1, and for alternate DNS, enter 1.0.0.1. This is Cloudflare DNS. Alternatively, you can use Google DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Step 3. Access Advanced Wi-Fi Settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi connection again and select Properties. Click the Configure button at the top. This opens your wireless adapter properties. Step 4. Optimize Advanced Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Here are the key settings to change. First, find Fat Channel Intolerant and set it to Disabled. This improves network performance. Next, look for Preferred Band and select Prefer 5 GHz band if available. 5 GHz offers better speed and less interference. Step 5. Adjust Power Level. Find Transmit Power Level and set it to lowest if you are on home or office network. Lower power improves stability and security and also reduces interference in dense areas, which means higher internet speed. If your router's far away, select medium or higher instead. Step 6. Set Channel Width. Scroll to find Channel Width for 2.4 GHz and set it to Auto. Do the same for Channel Width for 5 GHz. Set it to Auto. Click OK to save all changes. Now, click the network icon in your taskbar. If you have a 5 GHz network, you'll see two Wi-Fi connections with similar names, one for 2.4 GHz and one for 5 GHz. Connect to the 5 GHz network for better performance. Step 8. Restart your PC. Restart your PC for all changes to take effect. After restarting, test your internet speed to see the improvement. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi connection should now be significantly faster with these optimized settings.